you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, okay, now you wanna say all that I done to you.
And I will retire with the crown, yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed, yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone,
Hey guys, welcome back. It's another intro and it's me coming at you with a hair tutorial. This is featuring Ali Pearl hair. If you want to see how my mom achieved this hairstyle on me, then just keep on watching. So today guys, we're going to be using Ali Pearl's virgin hair. This is Brazilian and it is so soft, like almost like baby down hair. To the point where it curls beautifully, but the only thing is the curls fall quick. But right now, I want to show you how to achieve this look. So what my mom is doing is she's sewing the hair in the back of my head, and I got my cousin Terry to braid my hair. So she just went in like a beehive shape when braiding it. You can go in any shape, you can go directly down, but just know that if you do that, the braid will be big at the bottom. Just know, if you have a braider to finesse that braid, use her. So what she's doing is sewing the 24 pack of hair in. So I received a 24 inch, a 22, a 20, and I think an 18. Nope, or it's the other way around. So don't get me wrong. Everything will be in the description right below. So what she's doing is taking it directly, measuring the hair, sewing it, and folding it, doing the flip over method to sew the hair directly down to my head. So there's nothing special about stitching. You can look up a tutorial directly on how to stitch. This is not a direct tutorial, I just want you to see the hairstyle. So she's just going to stitch and do the flip over method each time she gets to the end, all the way to the top. And then what she's going to do is take a section of my hair to cover the tracks. That is it. And then we're going to move right on to the bun. So just keep on watching as she sews this hair in the back of my head. So that's before she did all of that, what she did was section it off to 2 parts so that she can braid it in the back and then so that she can do the ponytail in the front. It's so simple and so easy to do. So after this, what she's going to do now is start my bang area. So what she took is some of that Ali Pearl hair and she actually sized it on top of my head. So this is another way and another method that you can do if you don't want your hair cut at all. So you saw my hair was totally slicked up. What she did was take each track, sized it, cut it, and went all the way to the top of that knot that I have right there. So what she's gonna do, because you're probably like, how you gonna cover that? She's gonna take that bun and cover it up with the bun. So this is a way that you can do if you do not have if you want a Chinese bang, you don't want to cut your own hair. So this is a trick, and this is a method that you can use. So she just actually did that, and what she did was take it section by section, like maybe 3 pieces, and started cutting it till it was actually straight. And then when you flat iron it, of course it's going to be some cuts that you didn't cut. So after she flat ironed that bang and went in sections with that, what she's going to do is see some of her mistakes and cut the bang to where it is even. So that's all she did with the bang, which is, it's so easy. It's fairly easy. I mean, if I did this myself, it probably won't look as neat, but it would look like that. That's what it would look like. So after she does this and finally gets done with the bang, what she's going to do is start on the ponytail part. Now, making the ponytail part might be the hardest thing, because it's like you're trying to get this cluster, this twist, something that you're trying to get on the top of your head. But you want it to look fire with that down in the back Chinese bang hairstyle. Okay, y'all, so I'm just showing it off right here so far what we have gotten into, honey. So right now what she did was already wrapped the ponytail around. She stuck a bobby pin inside the hair before she started swirling it around, and she is now gluing parts of the hair so that it will stay. After she does that, she's going to take a little piece of the hair, a little section, and she's going to wrap it around the track area that is actually showing so that it won't show. And then now what she's going to do is twist the hair directly towards the right, hold the ponytail, go around, twist it until she makes this cluster, and start pinning. So it looks easy, but you know, probably after a couple of tries that you all do, you might get it. But that's all she did. And what she did was take some bobby pins and start placing the pin so that it can stay up, and also spritz it so that it will not move and stay stiff. So that's all she did for the tutorial, you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Have you ever tried this hairstyle before? I saw her floating around in the picture. I can't think of her name, but don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share this video if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And oh, don't forget to check them in the description right below. All the links will be down there, and I'll see you guys